This is the OD200 from SICK, a compact, high-performance distance and displacement sensor designed for precision and simplicity. Right out of the box, without any additional components, wiring, connectors, or complicated setup, I get precise measurements on every surface I've tried so far. So let's dig into this a little deeper and check out what this sensor can do. This particular model has a measurement repeatability of 20 microns in a span from 60 millimeters to 160 millimeters. What I really like about this sensor is the integrated display and keypad. In fact, I don't need to connect or wire or install a separate amplifier or evaluation unit. Everything's all in one. All power and outputs are right here in this industrial standard M12 connector. That's digital outputs, discrete outputs, analog output, and I/O link. The integrated display is bright and easy to read. The menu uses full words that make the navigation intuitive. You don't have to memorize any codes or look up anything in a manual. You can view the absolute distance instantly, or you can also teach in a 0 point for relative displacement measurements. Visual indicators like these LEDs show if your target is within the defined range of interest, and even if it's within the scaled analog output range. This makes on-site evaluation and troubleshooting very easy. While the cycle time can be customized based on the target reflectivity, application speed, and the desired precision, the default auto mode is optimized to detect a wide variety of materials and is really one of the great values of this design. In this auto mode, the sensor accurately reads paper, cardstock, and even textured materials. No configuration changes are required. If you do need to set up a switch point, use the simple one-point teach-in to define your reference. Then any target closer than this distance triggers an output. An easily adjustable switching hysteresis can make for a very stable switch point or be set up for an extremely sensitive switch point to the smallest changes. Everything you need is built into the small, rugged sensor. An integrated display, intuitive controls, and powerful performance, all in one housing. To learn more about the OD200 or to request a demo, please contact your local SICK representative. You can also go to sick.com, search for the OD200, and check out all the specs, accessories, and helpful downloads. While you're there, be sure to check out all of the other sensors in the OD family if either more precision or more range is needed. The OD200, precision made simple.